Hello guys, another question in front of us from Gcse Edexcel paper, higher question. So what we need to do is we need to show that this expression can be written in this format. When we look at the format that we want to write in, we have a square root of 5. So that means we should be writing everything in terms of square root of 5 if there's a third involved. So we can see this is written in terms of square root of 5. This is also in that same form, but 180 is not. So what we'll do, we'll take 180. Okay, square root of 180. Now it should be 5 times something that should give you 180. And you can do that by dividing 180 by 5, which will be just 36 times 5. And you should remember, I have to split thirds, root 36, root 5. And root 36, as you know, can be simplified as 6, so we get 6 root 5. So writing everything here again, so root 180 minus 2 root 5 divided by 5 root 5 minus 5 is going to be same as 6 root 5 minus 2 root 5 divided by 5 root 5 minus 5. Okay, and then all we need to do is rationalize the denominator. Again, you should remember, I have to rationalize the denominator. So what we do, the numerator here stays the same. We write our fraction again, so let's rewrite that. And then what we do, I'm going to put bracket around them so I don't forget what I need to times by. So we times by, that will become positive. We times by 5 root 5 plus 5. And the same thing, 5 root 5 plus 5. Okay. And all you have to do is just simplify this. So numerator, for the numerator, you need to simplify 6 root 5 minus 2 root 5. You need to times it by 5 root 5 plus 5. Again, you can use the FOIL method or the grid method to simplify this, whichever you prefer. Okay. So first of all, this times that, so 6 root 5 times 5 root 5, what is that? So we have 6 times 5 times root 5 times root 5. You should remember root 5 times root 5 is going to give you root 25, which is 5. Okay, and then 6 times 5 times another 5, which will be 150. Okay, so the first thing we write, 150. And then we have 6 times plus 5 root 5. Well, 5 times 6 is 30, so that's going to be 30 root 5. And then I'm going to do this 2.5 minus 2 root 5 times 5, which is going to be minus 10 root 5. And then the last numbers, this one and this one, which I haven't times together, these two. Again, let's do it on the side. So minus 2 root 5 times 5 root 5. Again, minus 2 times 5. So this and that times together. Root 5 times root 5. Again, root 5 times root 5 will be 5. So we have only minus 2 times 5 to do, which is minus 50. So we got minus 50. Okay. Simplifying this further, well, this one and that one will give us 100. And that are like terms. They both have root 5. So 30 take away 10 will be 20 root 5. Now that's the numerator. Okay. But what about the denominator? Let's make everything smaller here, so we have enough space. Okay. That was the numerator. Denominator, again, from here, that was the denominator. Let's do that on the side. So we have 5 root 5 minus 5, 5 root 5 plus 5. Okay. 5 root 5 times 5 root 5. Let's do that on the side. Okay. So it's going to be 5 times 5 times root 5 times root 5. Well, that's 5. So we got 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 125. Okay, so this is equal to 125. 5 root 5 times 5, that's going to be plus 5 root plus 25, right? 5 times 5 is 25, so that's 25 root 5 minus 5 root 5 times 5 root 5 is going to be minus 25 root 5. You can see this and this will cancel. They are like terms. One is plus, one is negative. Same magnitude. Gone, gone. And then at the end, we need to do also 5 times minus 5 times 5, which is minus 25. So we end up with 125 take away 25, which is 100. So the denominator is 100. Okay, now taking our taking this here, what did we get? So we had the numerator already we figured out, which was 100 plus 20 root 5, and then the denominator was 100. So again, we can split the denominator. 100 over 100 plus 20 over 100 root 5. Well, 100, 101 will give us 1 when you divide them. Plus simplifying 2 over 10 to 20 over 10. Again, if you don't know, watch this out. And then we get 2 over 10 divided by 2 divided by 2, which is 1 over 5. So we get 1 plus 1 over 5 root 5. Now, the form that they wanted us to write this was in this form. It was a plus, let me highlight that, a plus root 5. So we wanted a plus root 5 over b. Okay. Well, what we wrote is in that form, which is same as 1 plus root 5 over 5. By comparison, a is 1 and b is 5. Okay, right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you with other questions later. Thank you very much for watching.